Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install KODI and also some of the add-ons. The first thing that we need to understand is that according to the official website at KODI.tv, that KODI is available as a native application for Android, Linux and Windows. In this case I'll be installing it on Windows just because I want to show you to give you a basic understanding of what the KODI looks like, etc. But this most likely you'll want to install this on your Android device because your Android device will be able to play back. It will probably have HDMI output so that you can connect it to your TV and so forth. So this is just to do a little demonstration for you to have a look at what KODI looks like. So the current release is KODI version 16.1 called Jarvis. And what they're saying here is that the official KODI version does not contain any content whatsoever. This means that you should provide your own content from a local or remote storage. Basically what they mean is that there's no add-ons to make this thing really functional on the original version. So let's say that we install this KODI version here, it will just run KODI. It wouldn't have any add-ons that allow you to stream and so forth. So you have to install the add-ons separately. So I'll come to that in a little while. Essentially I'll probably most likely be using tvaddons.ag to do that, which is this website here. I'm a little bit rusty as well too, but I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out while we are going through this process as well. So stay tuned as I go ahead and do that for you. So basically we want to install the Windows installer. Since this is a Windows machine, I'm running Windows 10 on this machine. So we'll go ahead and click install and it's downloading there. Hopefully 5 to 6 minutes. It's going to take a little while to download. So I'll leave that in the background. It seems like I already have it downloaded, but I'm going to leave it to download in the meantime. And in the meantime, since we about that, what else do we need to download? According to we'll need to get add-ons for KODI, of course, to make it more functional. As you can see, there's this one from tvaddons called, I can't remember the name of it actually, but just remember tvaddons.ag. And basically they're telling you what you can download. Once you download KODI, you'll need to configure it with KODI add-ons. At this point, you'll be able to watch all the content you can imagine directly from KODI. KODI add-ons interface with online streaming sites, displaying them through a video on demand style. KODI add-ons access content freely available online and don't have anything to do with the content distribution. Now, as you can see here, they have something called, there's this new thing called Freetelly. So that's what we're most likely going to be using because, Freetelly is probably the best one. This is actually the one being advertised right now. It's actually advertised on the, to update to Freetelly. So we're going to try to do that. So we'll set that to download as well too. Freetelly for Windows. It seems that you can download the Freetelly app for Windows, which is a KODI fork. So that means that we might not actually need to download KODI itself because this is actually forking KODI altogether, meaning that it is it comes with a version of KODI that they have designed. So it seems to be pre-configured with all the best add-ons, etc. So with that being said, I should probably cancel the download of the original KODI for the time being and just download the KODI fork if possible. So let's see if we can get that here. Download. Okay. Rating. Not seeing anything downloading yet, but I'm guessing. I have to click to begin download. Nice. It's for mirrors. Come on, man, it can't be so long. Right, good. So we have a primary download here. Excellent. It's saying 50 something seconds there. Lovely. You can see Freetelly win.zip. So we'll have to wait about a minute. Hopefully we'll get this thing down and we can get this thing installed and see what Freetelly has that KODI doesn't have. I was gonna download KODI itself, but since KODI is actually taking longer than Freetelly, we should probably just wait on Freetelly. So the whole idea, for those of you who don't know too much about KODI, KODI is basically what you used to have before called XBMC. XBMC allowed you to, it's basically an interface that allows you to manage all your content, pictures, videos, music. Most particularly, I think a lot of people use it for is videos. This is a demonstration video here. I'm not going to play that back, but essentially from this screen you choose videos and then you go down to whatever add-ons they are available. As you can see them here, like Salt and Exodus. Those are more or less the popular ones, Phoenix as well. And you enter into there, and from there it actually pulls the data off of the internet. So whoever is the designer or whatever, they sort of automate scrapers, and scrapers are basically little snippets of code applications running in the background that pull data from all the sources on the internet that have like movies, TV shows and so forth. So they bring that all into one, making it very easily for you to view that content instead of having to search for long periods of time to find the content that you need. It isn't perfect, I'll tell you that, because a lot of the times when sites post these movies and so forth, they could be pirated, etc. Could be illegal. It could be illegal uploads and so forth by other users as well. So sometimes they get taken down. They get taken down because, you know, there is the DMCA policies that a lot of these sites have, which respect copyright. So you get pretty much multiple sources which you could choose. So when you choose, like let's say you go to videos, you go to Exodus, and Exodus shows you the top latest movies that are available. You choose one of the movies, and then from there, the add-on will actually look through and see which sites have the movie available and bring it back to you, and it will show you like if the content or the movie is high quality, medium quality, low quality, cam, TS and RIP and so forth, those different types of quality movies, and you get to choose which website you use. Now sometimes while in the process of choosing the website, the actual video doesn't load, and that just basically means that it was probably just taken down. So with that being said, I hope that will help you guys out in terms of it, and it's nearly done. Hope that I wouldn't have to speed up this video too much so that you could actually hear my commentary, because I'm actually commenting right now live while making this video. So I wouldn't want to actually have to speed it up and then have to do over video again. So we are nearly done. 1 more second. Good. Antivirus probably running nice. So we click to open it, and here it is. We have exe file which we need to run. So I'm just going to unzip it here. Unzip it, good, and now we try to get this thing open. So we're actually gonna run the application. Yes, we want to run it, and it's going to go through basically an install wizard. For those of you who don't know what install wizards are, very simple, very simple. Basically just normally just go through next for everything. So let's see, good, I agree, next to install. Where do we want to install it? I want to actually install it on my E drive, not my C drive, because I have multiple drives. I have my C drive is actually my SSD drive, so I don't store a lot of data on the SSD. I just use it to boot Windows, etc. So I'm going to put it on my E drive, which is a normal hard drive. Freetelly, installing. We could probably show the details just to see what files. Okay, so a lot of things are in Python here. Interesting, Python language, alright, very good. Perhaps that's to maintain it in terms of compatibility, the languages in compatibility with the Android version of this, because I think Android supports Python better than probably PHP, etc. PHP is more web and that kind of thing. Okay. And that's it, we pretty much installed. Do you want to run Freetelly? Sure, why not? Let's run Freetelly. And it's running. Yay! Wow, cool. Okay, we allow access, allowing the system access here. And nice, you're almost done. You'll be enjoying Freetelly in a matter of minutes. There's just one last step to go. Click here to finalize. Click here to finalize. Click here to finalize the installation. installation. Okay, you can see that things are already happening here. It's already add-ons are being updated here. Let's finalize. You're almost done. Click continue to finalize the installation. We continue. Nice. So it's actually going to download more data. It looks like perhaps it's okay. Yeah. So it's probably downloading. It's probably now downloading some of the add-ons, more add-ons, etc. And it's not doing too bad. This is what KODI looks like. What you could see is that they changed up perhaps that the background, you know, the icons, etc. That the what do you call that? That's thumb art, I think they call that. So we're just gonna wait till it's actually doing this configuration, and I can see in the process of configuring that it's downloading. So please wait. Now my mouse disappeared there just basically because it's designed that way. The application is designed that once your mouse is not there, it's going to disappear. Pretty much so that if you have a movie running on KODI, or in this case Freetelly, that it will be able to open up and allow you open up the movie and allow the mouse to disappear so it does not annoy you on the screen. This is all, as I say, in real time that you're seeing this right now. I'm not actually speeding up anything. If you want, you could speed it up a little bit if you want to pass this stage. But it's being done right now. My connection is at least, it's going to be over 10 megabits, so it's downloading fairly fast at this point in time. So we just give it a few minutes to configure itself. What you should have noticed was that when I actually ran the application, the Freetelly application, which is KODI, a fork of KODI, that it loaded really fast. Now I'm running a AMD system. It's equivalent, if I'm not mistaken, to an i5. So this is what it runs on the i5 itself. I'm not too certain how it will run on an i3, but I don't think it's going to be very laggy. It's designed, as I say, for this sort of use. So let's see how the performance is after this finished the configuration finishes. We may have to, I'm not too sure if the modules will be installed, so when we see the next screen, I'll know if the modules are installed, which is the main modules. For those of you again who are tuning in the middle of the video, yeah, so you should basically have to go to tvaddons.ag to be able to access this specific version of KODI. For those on Android, I think it might be a different process. You'll have to check tvaddons.ag to see if there's a way to configure your KODI to make it look like this Freetelly version. Okay, so it's doing what it has to do, it's extracting as a file. So it was downloading something, and so wait. About 2 minutes has passed. Awesome, good. Installation successful. Please visit blah blah blah. That's tvaddons.ag for future support. Great, lovely. Oh wow. Okay, so everything already came up, and you can see that Exodus and Stream all the sources, which is source for short, came up, and these are two that normally are easy to use. If you just click on, for example, let's click on Exodus here. Exodus gives you options here. Wow, okay, so movies, TV shows, channels, etc. We could probably just go and check out what the latest movies are, and you see it's working over here. That's pretty much the same experience you'll experience when you are in Android as well. Remember, I'm actually running this on Windows, but it looks the same way here. So yeah, so pretty much there are different movies here that you could choose and so forth. And I guess you guys will want to see sort of like a demonstration of some sort, but I don't want to encourage per se any sort of, you know, wrong activity per se, so I will not open any of these at this point in time. Let's check the TV shows and let's look at what's popular. What's popular in TV shows? Alright, let's see. Okay, so we have Game of Thrones, we have Mr. Robot, The Night of sorts of review black, get all those things on Netflix, I'm sure. Let's see if there's any providers with this episode, just to show you guys what if it will load or if it will ask me for options, etc. Good, so you see it asks me for different options, and there's different things. You see HD for high definition, HD for standard, and I'm not too sure, I haven't used this for so long, but let's have a look and see if we could get. So essentially that's how this works. And there's nothing really more to it. That's all it really does. I mean, there's probably music as well. Yeah, there's probably some music as well. I clicked on the wrong thing, so I'll go back. Radio, broadcast, SoundCloud, and so forth. There's probably more add-ons as well too, but you could get more. You see, get more data. But it's pretty much pre-configured for you. So all you have to do is basically log in. So thanks again for viewing. As you also get news at the underneath here. As things come out. So again, thank you very much for viewing this video. Basically this video just gives you an idea of what KODI does, etc. And I hope it was useful to you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel. Please like, give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys again soon. Take care, bye bye. Bye.